What's good, y'all? It's your boy DJ,
It's your girl TJ.
and we got a special treat for y'all today. Today, we gonna find out who got the best chicken sandwich. We gonna go to McDonald's, Wendy's, Popeyes, Chick-fil-A, and Zaxby's. And we just gonna order their chicken sandwich. If they got the spicy, we gonna get the spicy. Y'all already know. And then we gonna judge based off our criteria. We gonna judge the presentation. So how is it presented to you? The taste, the overall taste, crunchiness. How crunchy is that thing? Toppings. Yeah. Rate it from 1 to 5, then add them up, and we'll see what we get.
We'll be back.
How may I help you?
How you doing? Can I get 2 of the Southern TLC, just a sandwich?
Can you fill that deal to just a sandwich?
Yeah.
Alright, can I get
Zaxby's.
No, that's all.
Alright, your total will be $9.82. We'll be outside.
Sorry? Can I get 2 of the buttermilk crispy chicken sandwiches? Just a sandwich?
Okay,
And that's it?
you can pull up.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you.
My pleasure. Have an awesome evening.
You too.
Last one. All right, y'all. So we have all 5 of the chicken sandwiches here, and just to remind y'all, we are going to rate 1 to 5 on presentation, taste, toppings, and crunch. Okay. So we're gonna start with Zaxby's.
Okay. Presentation so far, I like the little box.
I'm gonna pick cookout. I mean, yeah, I'm gonna cookout thing. Ooh, the sandwich look.
Hey,
How you say it? Grr, grr.
I don't know how I feel about the shredded lettuce. I'm not a fan of shredded lettuce on chicken sandwiches. And I don't like tomato. But that's what it comes with.
So, what are you gonna rate the presentation of this?
The presentation, as far as like the box that it comes in, is pretty good. Like, I like the small little box. Like the actual presentation of the food, like the sandwich itself, it's pretty sloppy.
But you know that'd be the best stuff when it's sloppy.
But I think I would probably give it a solid 3.
Okay, I'll give it a 4.
Alright.
Cause I like tomatoes and I like shredded lettuce and I like that. Okay.
I don't even know why I was attacking. You know, you gotta find that perfect spot.
Okay.
Mm.
So crunch, I'll give it a 1. Cause ain't nothing crunch. Just
Yeah.
down.
Crunch, I'd probably give it like a 2. Cause they got a little crunch to it. Or then like, they got a little crunch in there.
No bad.
I'll give it like a 2 for crunch.
But this taste, I don't know if I'm just a big fan of Zaxby's, but this is so good. Or I might be hungry.
I think I'm hungry. Taste, I'll probably give it a 3. Just because it's not spicy. And it don't really got too much other flavor in it.
I'll give it a 4 for the taste. But I got tomatoes on mine. And like the tomatoes give it a little extra.
The toppings, I don't like shredded lettuce. I don't like tomatoes. So that's a 1 for me.
I I give the toppings a 3. I wish they had like some type of, you know, good sauce on it or something. But I like tomatoes and lettuce and all that good. Okay.
Alright, so that's it from Zaxby's. Next we got that good old Popeyes, you know.
Popeyes.
Like a little bag, you know. We're trying to take from Chick-fil-A, but you know.
I prefer like the little containers.
These keep that joint warm.
I reckon.
Boom. You got your little sleeve. You got your little chicken sleeve. Look, that thing tucked in nice, boy. Woo. That thing tucked in. Oh, that's right. Alright. Woo. Dang, what happened? Half my bun gone.
I got a big old piece of chicken.
This is spicy too, so
Oh,
yeah.
yeah. There's a spicy.
You ready? Go
Alright.
ahead.
Yep.
Whoop. That crunch. Crunch is a 5. Off rip.
I'll give the crunch a 5. Presentation, I think is a little boring, so I'll give it a 3.
Presentation for me, I probably get that joint for 4. Just because they got it tucked in, you know? They got it tucked in for you. So I give it a 4.
Toppings, they don't have any toppings, but that sauce is good.
The sauce is loaded.
Right.
The sauce is, that's it right there.
And then the pickles give it that extra, you know, pizzazz. So I'll
But-
give the toppings like a 4.
I can't give this pickles and sauce too high of a score. I'll probably give it a 3. That's because it's just pickles and sauce. It's still good though. Tastes a 5 for me.
I would say a 3 for the taste. Because mainly, the main thing that I taste is the sauce.
Really?
Yeah. It's mostly what I taste.
I'm about to finish this. I cannot lie.
You hungry?
Starving.
We got 3 more sandwiches to eat. Alright, so next we have McDonald's, and let me tell you, it smells so good. But here you go.
Okay.
The famous little box.
Like the little box. You know, you get some points for that. Get some points
I
for the
love
little box.
McDonald's boxes. And these buns.
Yo, look at mine. Look what they did. What is that? What is that?
That's a big piece of chicken.
And look, I got a big piece of chicken with some little tomatoes, man.
They got little
Look,
mini
man.
tomatoes.
And a shredded lettuce. And look, all that
You like mayonnaise.
mayo just glopped up in the middle like that.
I love it. Here, put it on my sandwich.
Dang, just when I thought I was about to give you a 3 or 4 for presentation, I done messed up my daggone sandwich.
Those look good. Oh my
Toppings is a 1 for me. Just like last time. If it got shredded lettuce and tomato on it, I don't want it.
gosh. Toppings is a 4. It is good. That's the best part.
Daggone 4.
Yes.
Presentation for me, it would have been higher, but they gave me a big piece of meat with 2 small little tomatoes. Like, And it's just sliding all over the place. But the box, I do like the box.
I said 3.
I gotta stick with my 2 because they just messed my whole sandwich up.
All right, let's get into
Right.
it.
Okay.
Oh, McDonald's got some crunch. Let me find out.
The crunches are 5.
Yeah,
Because the crunch is there.
the crunch is definitely there.
The crunch is there. This is dry. It's dry.
Stop. But the crunch is definitely there.
The crunch is there though. I'll say that. So the crunch is a 5 for me, for sure.
Me too.
I mean the taste, I mean it don't taste bad. It's just real dry.
Yeah. It don't taste bad. I think it's the bun that makes it taste even better because it's like the buttermilk bun.
I think I have to get a taste like maybe a 3. 'Cause I mean it don't taste bad. It's just
It is
dry.
dry. Yeah.
Like I can't eat this without drinking something behind it. And it's probably because they got my mayo all blocked up in the middle, so I ain't even get to the mayonnaise yet. Did I say toppings already?
I think we did. Yeah, we did topping first. Mine said 3 too for the taste. But McDonald's got that crunch. I did not know that.
Surprisingly.
Surprisingly.
I'm surprised.
Yeah.
Alright, so next up we got Wendy's. We got 2 spicy chicken sandwiches from Wendy's. Okay, I like the
Typical
aluminum
wrap.
wrap. I like the aluminum wrap right here.
Very easy to get into. And this, I think this was the hottest one. The warmest one that we've had.
Yeah. So this one definitely stayed warm longer.
Yeah. Presentation.
But, you know, you see it. No shredded lettuce. So,
I'm actually not a fan of this lettuce because look how thick this is right here.
that's the best part because it gives you that extra little crunch.
I don't like this lettuce.
True.
Like I want a
can't.
part without the little stem in it.
I can't do that shredded lettuce.
I mean, if it didn't have a stem, I think it would be better. But that little stem is.
Oh, that daggone mayo lane. I wish I could.
Yeah.
And this big old tomato, y'all already know how I feel about tomatoes, so we just gonna kindly slide that to the side, you know. I should have got mine with no tomatoes, but I wanted to get it how it comes, you know.
Yeah.
But
What?
yeah.
Ready?
Mhm. Oh, hell no. Tasted like a solid 2. Matter of fact, I gotta make that a 1.
I was gonna say a 1
Taste is the 1. Cause this don't taste like,
because
y'all know them
I don't
little,
know what Wendy's got going on today, but
you know them little Tyson chicken
it
breasts that you
does.
throw
Oh
in
my
the
god,
oven?
it does.
That's what this tastes like.
It tastes like the little Tyson patties, the chicken
Yeah.
patties.
Taste is a 1 for me. The crunch,
I know. I say 1 for the.
mine had a little bit of crunch. I'll give it a 2. Presentation, of course, like you can't go wrong with the wrapper. It's not the best, but it's not the worst. I'd probably say a 3.
Yeah, for presentation. It wasn't. I mean, just like the topping wasn't really all that.
Toppings. Toppings, I'd probably give it like a 2. Just because, I mean, they had it's so much mayo on here. Like, I wish y'all could really see it in person. It's so much mayo on here. Like, it's sloppy. But
Yeah,
I do like the lettuce because I don't like shredded lettuce. So
I didn't like the lettuce.
that's why I'll give it a 2 instead of 1.
I'll probably give it a 1. Sorry, Wendy, but
Yeah, but that don't taste like.
it does not. Like,
Dang.
dang, I don't know what happened to Wendy.
They fell
But-
off because the spicy chicken sandwich used to be good.
Exactly. But I normally get the Asiago chicken because it's like that sauce. Just it makes it taste completely different. But this wasn't.
Man, that don't taste like. a little
Like, we
chicken
didn't
patty.
even- You only
That's
took
that
one bite.
that you
I
seen
took, like,
is the bite. That's the
2
only
bites.
bite I'm taking. This.
This is not. I'm sorry. Last but not least.
Chick-fil-A.
Alright. So we have the spicy deluxe with the pepper jack cheese.
Okay. Got a little box. Same thing as McDonald's, but a little,
Yeah. For some reason, I think like their boxes are always soggy.
I don't know how you have a soggy box.
Like it feel like they're not tough. They need to be strong.
Oh yeah.
Look at that.
Look at that. That thing look perfect. I wish I could see.
Their lettuce is perfect.
Like, look at that.
Look at this.
It just looked perfect.
And that pepper jack.
It
Oh my
looked
god.
perfect.
Presentation is a 5. I'm gonna go ahead and say that.
Yeah, I think I'm gonna go ahead and go with a 5 too because it ain't sloppy.
No,
Like
it just
it
looked
looked
good.
like it's supposed to be on the commercial. Like
Right.
that's what it looked like. I won't trying to give it a 5, but I can't even hate. Like
Right. This looks so good.
it just looked good. Toppings.
I'm gonna get the toppings a 5 too.
A 5.
Yes, because I love their lettuce. And this is like, they're like the only place that gives you an option of cheese.
Oh yeah.
Like the cheese is different.
I wouldn't give them a 5 just because they got tomatoes on it. I'll give it a 4 though. I give it a 4 just because, like you said, they got the
option cheese.
the pepper jack cheese, and as long as it ain't shredded lettuce, I'm good.
I love their lettuce.
And then of course the pickles on here too.
Right. Only thing they don't have is like they don't put sauce on it, but they always give you sauce, which is good.
Of course you gotta have the goated, the Chick-fil-A.
No. This
but
here.
They don't know about that. You know what I'm saying?
This right here.
They don't know. They got focus in. Come on, get that. Yeah.
This right here.
Ooh. They don't know about that.
Y'all,
they don't know.
if y'all don't know, y'all better learn.
They don't know.
Okay? Because this is some good. This is crack right
That
here.
honey roasted. Oh, this honey roasted, boy.
This honey roasted is.
That's the one right here.
This is. I remember like way back when we used to eat Chick-fil-A all the time, but the honey roasted only came with one sandwich, and I think it was the deluxe sandwich, and you couldn't get it, like you couldn't just ask for it.
For real.
You had to get this sandwich. Yeah.
I ain't never. Anytime I went, once I found out about it, because I didn't find out about it until I went to ODU.
Oh yeah.
And they had it there, but ever since then I just been getting it. Yeah, but
Here we go.
Bon appetit.
Check.
Tasted the 5.
Taste is definitely fine.
I would say the crunch is probably
I said 3.
a 3.
Yeah. Stop. Why we get?
What?
You reading my mind.
I mean, you just think the same.
I can read your mind. I know what you're thinking. Okay, so taste is definitely a 5. Oh, I'm dripping it on myself.
Hey, taste a 5. The crunch is a 3 for me though.
Yeah, definitely a 3 because it's. I mean, it's there, but I'll say a 2. I'm gonna give him a 2. Cause I mean, it's a little bit there, but it's not.
I think
really.
the crunch is basically like the lettuce. That's what's giving it.
Yeah, and then
that
it's like
crunch.
crispier on the edges.
Yeah. But overall, I mean, it's still a good sandwich. You know? Chick-fil-A don't miss when they come to their sandwiches.
Chick-fil-A know what they're doing. They definitely know what they're doing. But I'm gonna go ahead and finish this one. Okay.
Alright, y'all. You gonna tally this thing up and get back at it with you?
Okay. So after we tallied them up, the lowest was Wendy's at a whopping 14.
That junk was trash.
Nasty.
Nah,
Okay.
that
It was
junk
real
was
nasty.
trash. Okay, and then so after that, in 4th place
This is unbelievable.
is Zaxby's
Unbelievable.
with a score of 24.
Because Zaxby's is so good.
Zaxby's is good, but it's the shredded lettuce for me.
I can't believe I did that. I'm sorry, Zaxby's. I'm y'all number 1 fan. So next we had the OG McDonald's at a 26 in 3rd place.
Not that bad, not that bad.
McDonald's is okay, you know, typical.
They messed mine hard up, but
He had a fat piece of meat.
with little bitty tomatoes. Even though I don't eat tomatoes anyway, but it just looked funny.
That's funny.
With
Fat piece of
all
meat with
the
little tomatoes.
Mayo just glopped in the middle. Anyway, in 2nd place with a score of 32, we have Popeyes.
Papa.
Popeyes got 2nd place with 32.
Of course. Knew they
Which
was gonna be up
means
there. The
Number
winner
1
is.
with a score of 34, so it was close. 34.
It was pretty close. Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A.
Chick-fil-A is just.
Way to go when it comes to chicken sandwiches, man.
I would have personally picked Chick-fil-A then Zaxby's then Popeyes, but
I'd probably do Popeyes.
off top.
Popeyes then Chick-fil-A, but
Then Zaxby's.
sure, yeah. Zaxby's, can you we need a sponsorship
Send me
from her,
some
you know,
coupons or something.
because
Cause I'm telling you, in that kickin' chicken, whew.
all right.
But there we have it. Chick-fil-A has the best chicken sandwich.
All right, y'all. So if you like the video, if you got any ideas of, you know, if y'all want to see the best pizza, best burgers, best fries, you know,
Right.
leave it in the
Or
comments.
just any ideas of what y'all want to see us do, comment it down there.
Yes, sir. Make sure you subscribe. Tell all your friends, all your peoples, you know. Yeah.
Yep.
It's your boy
And we'll be
DJ.
back, and it's your girl TJ.
And we out.